Hi guys, my name is Molly and today I want to talk to you about the West Nile Experience. The West Nile Experience is simply the natural, cultural and historical journey in the West Nile sub-region. So most people don't even know where the West Nile is found. It's in the northwest part of Uganda and it's a hidden gem that many people don't know. So when you're in Uganda, be sure to visit the West Nile because we have a lot to offer. We have rivers, waterfalls. Yes, we do have mountains and the many cultural backgrounds that you can enjoy to see. Okay, so yeah, be sure to visit West Nile next time you're in Uganda. Thank you.